newly launched Wave called smartwatch in active black. It is also available in deep blue and mauve. The square 1.69 inches HD 2.5D curved touch display comes with 550 nits brightness in a size of 26 into 5 into 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. This Bluetooth calling smartwatch comes with 150 plus watt faces in a lightweight and ultra slim design. The IP68 water resistance makes it splash and sweat proof, thus making it ideal